Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to see your card number on DoorDash step by step. First, open the DoorDash app or website and make sure you're signed in to your account. Then scroll down and tap Account. Next, under Account Settings, tap Payment. Here, you'll see a list of all the debit or credit cards you've added to DoorDash. Now, find the card you want to view and tap on it. You'll be able to see your saved card details, including the card number, expiration date, and other related information. Keep in mind, for security reasons, DoorDash may hide part of your card number. And that's it. You now know how to view your card information in the DoorDash app or website. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.